So, Carl, here's what we have, the latest update from the Philadelphia Energy Solutions team that's on the ground there trying to monitor the situation. They have determined as of 9:08 this morning that there is a response crew that is still there, including many first responders from local jurisdictions. There were 3 separate explosions on this particular unit, they say. The unit impacted was one of the alkylation units at PES. They have not yet determined the product that was burning, but they do believe it was mostly propane. This is according to a spokesperson from Philadelphia Energy Solutions. They also say that the shelter in place was lifted at approximately 7:07 a.m. Eastern time. They had 4 confirmed minor injuries as a result of the event. All employees were treated on site by PES medical personnel, and the refining complex is running at a reduced rate. The cause of the fire is still currently under investigation. They sincerely apologize for any concern that this has caused the community. More updates to come as they get them. As for the energy market impact, we are seeing gasoline futures, specifically with ones tied more towards East Coast markets, up by about 3.5%. That's off the highs of the session. We're also keeping a close eye on certain refinery-related stocks like Phillips, like Valero, because they are seeing some reaction from a competitive standpoint, perhaps from traders, with regard to this particular outage and what it could mean for the oil market dynamic. That's reverberating in the ETF markets as well. We're keeping a close eye on some of the very large ETFs that track oil and gas and energy markets and companies. The Spider Energy ETF, XLE, a focus for some traders in reaction to some of the stocks involved there. Also, the United States Oil Fund, one of the big oil-related ETFs, that's also one that's traders are tracking as well. There are, I would mention, guys, Carl, a number of smaller exchange-traded funds that track things like the energy futures market, like the gasoline futures market, and like refiners specifically. But they are rather small. They could be impacted more. We'll bring you more details, but that's the latest right now on the energy market impact from this Philadelphia Energy Solutions complex explosion. Carl, I'll send things back over to you.